Omegaman here from the Omegaman Friends School Assembly presentation. In just a few seconds, I'm going to take this baseball bat, place it on my leg, and snap it like a pencil. Why? Because cancer sucks. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's a reminder for me how important early detection is. You see, in 1985, my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer. She went through a long series of treatments, lost her hair, became very frail, very weak. Hard time for my family. But you know what, the fighting spirit, she beat cancer. See, according to the American Cancer Society, when breast cancer is detected early and is in localized stage, the 5-year survival rate is 99%. Early detection includes doing monthly breast self-exams, scheduling regular clinic breast exams, and mammograms. So you know what, let's do our part and let's break cancer. You know why? Because, again, cancer sucks. Come on, help me out. Help me out. So remember, let's do our part, and remember, cancer sucks. We are stronger than cancer.